Text, Beltone HearMax app, how to change programs. Apple App Store and Google Play logos. Text, open the Beltone HearMax app. The app image shows a white globe with two blue arrows around it. A phone screen appears. Text, you can change programs in the Beltone HearMax app 3 different ways. The first way to change programs is by swiping through the program cards. Tap on the program card and swipe your finger left to go to the next program. A finger taps the right side of the screen and swipes left. Text, to go back to your previous program, tap on the program card and swipe your finger right. A finger swipes right and the screen image changes. Text, the second way to change programs is by tapping on the program icon in the top menu of the home screen. The finger taps at the top right. Text, when you tap on a different program icon, you'll see that the program card changes too. The finger taps at the top left. Text, the third way to change programs is by pulling down on the handle below the top menu to access the program overview. The finger taps at the top center and drags an orange circle down and over the screen. Text, this will show you all your programs and favorites. Logo, Beltone. Learn more at www.beltone.com.